that shit. Tour copy machine. I should copy my ass right now. I love my sexy girls very much. They do look good. This could be a foam party for all I know. I can't see anything. Guys are up your neck and suds. Just like, yeah, boy. I start tipping all the girls. I'm like, hey, what's your name? She's like, here's Thomas. What's up? Yeah, what's up? I don't know who that guy is. Bass player. It was hot.